Hi everyone, so today I'll be showing you circular array. So what it does is it creates shapes or unique patterns like mandalas and flowers. So to start off, you will be selecting your image, and on the left hand side you will see third from the bottom a flower like icon. You can just press on that. When selecting your flower like icon, you can change your number of copies that you would like to form your unique pattern with. You can also change where it starts as well as where it finishes. This will also change your pattern and the way that it looks. So there is no exact type of start or end count. You can decide how you want your pattern to look. If you are happy with how your pattern looks, you can press OK and it will leave you with a unique pattern. This pattern should just be grouped so that you can move it as one image and not as multiple images. The same can be done with a square. You can use basically any type of image. Again, on your left hand side, just click on circular array and you will then be able to control how many copies you would like, as well as the direction it should be facing in and how exactly you want it to turn. Again, when you're happy with the product or your pattern that you created, you can just say OK and group so that you can move it as one complete pattern.